Morning. I'm going to do a quick job on my garage electrics to replace a light switch with one of these new kinetic light switches, which is here. This is an integrated kinetic switch, and in the back of this is where the actual kinetic receiver is, and just make life very easy for me. I'm going to show you how easy it is to do. There's my existing light switch, on and off. First thing I'm going to do is just to isolate it from the fuse board. Just make sure that everything's disconnected, and then I'm going to take this switch off and I'll show you how easy it is to put the next one on. So that's the inside of the switch, very simple, just L1 and L. I'm going to disconnect those and then connect them into the back of the new integrated kinetic switch. Here's the switch. The simple thing to do is just use a screwdriver underneath here to take the cover off. And then on the back we've actually got push fit connectors to make it nice and quick and easy, and they're clearly marked up as L and L1. So I've got them rigged up as L and L1. This will just fit back into a standard mattress box. Should be quite easy. I'm just going to test it very quickly. Power's come back on, and then lights on and lights off. Very simple. I'm just going to put the cover back on and then I'll show you what's the next step. Okay, there's the switch all fitted. And what I'm going to now do is pair it up to a standard kinetic switch. In order to do that, what you need to do is push this button here underneath until it starts flashing. And then you press the kinetic button to pair it. And as you can see, already the kinetic button is working and it's turning the lights on and off. And that still works. Inside the box there's actually both black and white covers, so you can choose which colour you want to have. And I'm just going to show you how the kinetic works. So the typical scenario is I've left the garage lights on. I'm back in the house. All I need to do is get hold of my kinetic switch, and there's the lights turned off, and I can turn them on again remotely. And that's how easy it is.